guys, welcome back today. We're in the zoo. We're in the zoo. Look at this. Look at the tiger. Whoa, look at that. Oh. Wow. Look at that bird. Look at this bird. This bird is so funny. Look at this bird. Whoa. Look at them. Whoa. This bird is wow. Look at this cute birdies. This bird is so cool. Hi. Papa, look! Birds! Look, oh! Hi, birdie! Hey! I don't know what that. Papa, look at that! This bird so cute. It looks like pigeon. So, wow. Where? Wow! Look at that! It's so nice. Oh, there's a peacock! There's a peacock! Wow, look at the peacock! Wow! There's a peacock! Wow! It's so nice. The bird this thing has an egg. Look over. He's protecting the eggs. Okay. Look at the peacock. What is this? Hello. 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 I don't know what is that bird. They're so beautiful. Look, there's a parrot. There's a parrot up there. Wow. Mama, look at the birds. Hi, birdie. It's so cute. Those birds are so cool. They're not even scared of us. Look at that. There's a parrot. There's a goat. There's a goat in there. Mama, there's a goat, Mama. Wow. Look at this. There's a parrot. Whoa, look at this. It's called an elegant parrot. Whoa. What duck wants the duck? So nice. It's a blue and yellow macaw. Papa, it is a blue and yellow macaw. Oh, look at this peacock. Like peacock. Look at these birdies. I can just go near them. I think there's a donkey, Papa. I think there's a donkey. Oh, ducks! Duckies! Hi, ducky! There's a chicken. That's a popular chicken. This duck. Whoa. Mama, there's a duck. Oh, it's so. Mama, there's a duck, Mama. Look at the duck, Mama. There's a duck. Look at those duckies. Whoa, look at those donkeys. That's so cool, guys. There's a duck in here. Look at that duck. Whoa. That's a macaw. That's a macaw. It's a blue macaw. Look, there's a green one. There's a green parrot. That's so beautiful. Wow. Hi, parrot. Hello. Oh, it's called. Mama, can you read this? Read this. There's an electus parrot. Look at those ducks. Friendly. Mama, those ducks are friendly. Yes, I think we're going to end the video right here, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video. This cool duck. See you. Bye.